In this video, I'm going to show you how to change font size in Google Chrome, step by step, so you can make text easier to read in just a few seconds. Whether the text feels too small on your screen or you just want a more comfortable browsing experience, this is a quick setting you can change anytime in Chrome. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu depending on how you normally launch it. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu icon. Click that menu to open Chrome's main settings options. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Chrome settings page, where you can control a lot of different browser features, including appearance, privacy, search settings, and more. On the left side of the settings screen, find the Appearance section and click it. This is where Chrome keeps the options for changing how the browser looks on your screen. Now scroll down until you find the font size option. This setting controls how large or small the text appears in Chrome. Once you find it, click the drop-down menu next to it. You'll see several choices, usually very small, small, medium, large, and very large. If you want text to be easier to read, choose large or very large. If you prefer a more compact layout, you can keep it at medium or even choose a smaller size. For this example, selecting large is a great option because it gives you bigger, clearer text without making the page look too crowded. As soon as you choose your preferred font size, Chrome applies the change automatically. There's no need to save anything manually. Now go back to a web page and see the difference right away. Your browser text should now appear larger or smaller based on the option you selected. If you want to make things even easier to read, you can also combine this with Chrome's zoom settings. But for most users, changing the font size alone is enough. And that's it. You've successfully changed the font size in Google Chrome. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a huge difference if you spend a lot of time browsing, reading articles, or working online. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.